Hello everyone. Welcome to day 4 of CSAT 50-day challenge. And the topic for today is exponents. So questions on this topic are generally asked by UPSC in alternate years. But this topic is very easy. If you understand the concept, then solving questions on this topic will be a cakewalk for you in the examination. So it is better to prepare on such low hanging fruits, right? So you can grab it whenever you get an opportunity. So have a look at the formulas that are very often used in solving problems on exponents. So suppose when you have this kind of equation, a to power m into a to power n. So you can write this as a to power m plus n, right? Just for the simplification purpose. For example, you have been given like 7 to power 41 into 7 to power 43. So this will be equal to 7 to the power 41 plus 43, and this will be 84, 7 to the power 84. So either you can first calculate 7 to the power 41 and 7 to the power 43 and multiply it, or you directly calculate 7 to the power 84. Both the result will be same, right? And this is the idea of this formula. Similarly, when the same number is in the division, in the form of division, so a by a to the power m is divided by a to the power n. So this is the formula that you have to use, a to the power m minus 1. It means that suppose you have 2 to the power 8 by 2 to the power 2, right? Either you can write 2 8 times, and in denominator you can write 2 2 times, and you can then do the simplification. Or the easiest way is to apply this formula. So you can write this as 2 to the power 8 minus 2, or equal to 2 to the power 6. So by using this formula, you can easily solve such questions in the examination. Now come to the third formula. So this one, a to the power a to the power m to the power n. For example, you have 2 to the power 3 to the power 4. So either you can write it as 2 to the power 2, 2 triple times into to the power 4, or that is 8 to the power 4, right? Or you can simply write this as 2 to the power 3 into 4 equal to 2 to the power 12. It depends on you how you have to write it. So if you know this formula, that solving questions will be very easy for you. So understand this formula and how this is applied in the to solve questions in the examination is very important. Then you have this formula, a into b to the power n. It can be simplified and can be written as a to the power n into b to the power n. Similarly, when you have a by b to the power n, it can be written as a to the power n by b to the power n. So you can take any numbers and use this formula and you will get your answer. For example, you have 6 to the power 4. So we can write 6 as 2 into 3 to the power 4, or we can write this as 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4. So 6 to the power 4 will be equal to this number. So it all depends where you have to use such formula, right? And that you have to think on your own, right? Based on the demand of the question, right? So these are the formula that we have seen. Now have a look at these kind of formula when it is under the roots, nth roots. So for example, there is something called a square root, right? Then you have a cube root, then fourth root, fifth root. But when you will start going into the higher level of mathematics, then you will find these kind of roots. So that can also be simplified. For example, root and a can be written as a to the power 1 by n. Similarly, this can be written in this form, This can be written in this form. So these are the formulas that you need to understand. More than remembering, it is very, very important that you understand this formula and think how it can be applied in the examination. So to make it easy for you, I am going to discuss a question that has been asked by UPSC in 2020 CSAT paper, right? And we will use the concept that we have just learned to solve this question. So according to this question, in this question you have been asked, out of the given four, which of them is the largest one, right? Now understand this thing. Whenever a power is in negative, right, it means that it will be in the denominator. So we can write 1 by 2 to the power minus 6 as 1 by 2 to the power 6. We can write this as 1 by 1 to the power 6 by 2 to the power 6, as we have just seen here. Have a look at this formula. A by b to the power n, we can write as a to the power n by b to the power n, right? So on this we can use this formula to simplify this. So we can write this as 1 to the power 6 by 2 to the power 6, or we can write this as, so 1 to the power 6 will be 1, right? No matter how many times you multiply 1, you are going to get 1 only, and by 2 to the power 6. Now this will come to the on the numerator side. So 2 to the power 6 by 1, or you can write this as 2 to the power 6, right? Similarly, you have to simplify this equation. So this can be written as 1q by 4q. 4q will come on the numerator part. So 4 to the power 3. Now, if we can write 4 as 2 to the power 2, right? 4 we can write 2. 4 is the square of 2. And we have seen a formula, a to the power n into m, right? So we can write 2 into 2 into 3. So what we have got? 2 to the power 6. So be it this number or this number, both are same. When we have simplified, we have got the idea. Now come to this thing. This we can write as 6 to the power 2 based on the solution that the simplification that I have done for these terms. So 6 to the power 2. So 6 to the power 2 is what? 36, right? 2 to the power 6 is what? Multiply 2 6 times, right? So you are going to get 64. Now have a look at this number. So this will be 3 to the power 4. So multiply 3 by 3 4 times. So you are going to get 81. So this one is 81, this one is 36, and both these numbers are 64, right? Again, I am simplifying this for you. So based on the result that we have got, this one is 64, this one is also 64, this one is 36, and this one is 81, right? So out of the given four, which among the following is the largest? So this is going to be the largest one. So based on this concept, you will be given 3 questions that you have to solve. One question will be posted in the Telegram group, and to get other 2 questions, you have to get yourself registered, right? And all the questions that will be given to you are very well curated and based on the UPSC PYQ. So do attempt this question if you want to prepare yourself better for the upcoming UPSC examination. Thanks for watching this concept video. Have a nice day.